guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Juliana, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys everything that you're going to need in your back to school emergency kit. Okay, let's get straight to the video, you guys. Okay, so let's talk about the bag. The bag is just a pink, hot pink, light pink, and rose gold Juicy Couture bag with this little cute star keychain. I'm not sure how much it was, but all I know is that it's from Juicy. And yeah, let's get on to the things that you're going to be needing. So first thing, so I got this cute little roll-on deodorant, okay? It's pomegranate scented, so that's cool. And I know that people always ask you, hey, can I have some deodorant? No, that's really gross. So you can get the spray-on form. Yes, I know. I'm that cool. I got it in spray-on form. So yeah, if someone ever asks you, hey, can I have some deodorant? Don't give your personal one, okay? Just get a spray deodorant. Okay, next thing. This is a Tide to Go stain remover stick. Well, there's nothing I could really show you, but yeah. It's a Tide to Go stain remover. So the way that it works is you like shake it up, and then if you ever get a stain on your shirt or something, you just press it like that, and as you can see, like the stain removing liquid will come on the shirt and it will take off your stain. So yeah, that's super convenient to have because I know I'm a very clumsy person, so I'm always staining my stuff. Okay, next thing that you're gonna need is some lotion. Okay, so before PE, you know, you just put it on those knees or elbows, wherever you get ashy, and you can just rub it on your hands. Or you can bring some face lotion and put it on your face if you don't wear makeup. So yeah, this is really handy to have. This is just Japanese cherry blossom. This was given to me from a friend from Bath & Body Works. Okay, next thing you're gonna need is a beauty blender. If you wear makeup like me, it's gonna be really handy and helpful to have a beauty blender on hand at all times. Okay, so if it's ever like coming off, you could just apply some more and just put it on. Okay, next thing. Hand sanitizer. I cannot stress how important hand sanitizer is, you guys. No one's trying to get cooties, okay? Nasty. Okay, next thing you're gonna need is makeup removing wipes. If you're sweaty from PE and for some reason your mascara starts to run,
I got you, girl, okay?
Just get some makeup removing wipes and clean up all that nasty residue, and you're good to go. Okay, next thing is gum, okay? Pretty self-explanatory. No one's trying to smell your breath, okay? Bring some gum. Next thing is some chapstick. Before you go to PE, just put on some chapstick if it's a cold day, or if you have chapped lips, this is a really great product to have, you guys. Okay, next thing is just feminine care products. These are Band-Aids. These are actually pizza Band-Aids. I don't know if you can see the shape of the pizza, but they're pizza Band-Aids, you guys, okay? Next thing is a
scrunchie.
Scrunchies are so great to have. They're very fashionable and they could keep your hair back if you ever need to put your hair in a ponytail. Okay, next thing is a mirror. A mirror is very, very handy to have like all the time because you're just gonna need to, you know, see what you're doing, okay? Very, very helpful, okay? Do not forget to bring a mirror. This is a peach tea. Okay, next thing that you're gonna need is a mascara. Sometimes I remember in 8th grade, whenever I would run late, I would forget to put on mascara, and then I would come to school with no eyelashes on whatsoever, and so I would like be, my day would be ruined essentially. Bring mascara, it will help you so very much. Okay, you guys, that's pretty much everything that you're going to be needing for this back-to-school emergency kit. Just a side note, I'm going to be a new freshman at a
completely 100% new high school.
I'm half nervous, half excited. I'm so pumped, you guys. I have a Starbucks right next to my high school. I know I'm very, very lucky. I love Starbucks. Anyway, that's going to wrap up today's video for the emergency kit. Make sure you guys go follow me on my Instagram, which is Miss Jules. I will put a link in the description box below. Make sure you give this video a like and comment down below what you think I should do next time. Make sure you go check out my other video, which is going to be a what's in my backpack / what's in my makeup bag for the school year, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
I've been thinking that this is not a need or a must, but now I've had treating me so wrong. This year